Greetings. This is the next drawing assignment. I call this one the fidget spinner, or it's not doesn't look exactly like a fidget spinner. And I'll probably have you draw me a real fidget spinner in the future, but I call this one the fidget spinner because it looks kind of like a fidget spinner. Anyway, the shape that you're drawing here in the center of the screen. Again, all of our circles and arcs are measured in diameter and not by radius, all except with the exception of this one here. Okay, down at the bottom right side, sort of here. And that is telling us that this radius here is 1.25. And the same here, this one going across here is 4. And actually, those would be duplicated. They're the same. This one is the same as this one here, and this one is the same as this one here. So we would have to figure out a way to duplicate those. Or just draw 2 of them, however. Of course, I can already start to see in my own mind, start seeing some solutions to actually drawing this. But both at the center, there is a circle that is 2 units in diameter. That is the inner circle. Then the outer part of that circle is 3 units in diameter. Over here to the left, we see that the very end here is a radius that is 1.50 in diameter, along with a circle inside of that radius that is 0.75 in diameter. This circle is the same as this circle over here. Okay, so those will be duplicated. Now these other measurements you see here are just positioning of these circles from one another. So basically, from the center of this circle, 3 units to here is how that one is supposed to be placed. So that they're 3 units apart, measured from the center. And here too, you can get the height of the placement by using this figure here, 0.75 units. So basically, it is 0.75 units below the center of this main circle here. So that would be 0.75 below that center radius. I mean, that center axis. But anyway, have fun with this circle. This is a much shorter video because I've explained a whole bunch of stuff to you in the last one. So this is your next assignment. Make sure that when you draw this, that after you draw it, you email it to me. Okay, and I will get it and I will give you a grade. Thank you very much.